Linda Jean Long. I'm the marketing director at West Boca Medical Center, and my son's name is Andrew. Actually, I had met her through the hospital, and I had heard such wonderful stories about her and got to know her on a personal level, and chose to use her as my doctor because of her whole elite program and her robotic experience and all of her successes. She gets to know you on a personal level. She knows my husband very well. She just becomes part of the family when you go through this whole process, because you see her so many times during your pregnancy. I mean, you see her at least once a month during your pregnancy, and she just becomes part of your pregnancy. We had some problems getting pregnant, and it turns out that I ended up having to have surgery, and I had it done robotically, and she sat us down and talked about our options and what can be done with it, and we trusted her, so we opted to go with her and have her take care of the surgery, and we had a lot of luck afterwards.
The best part about Dr. Sam, when you see Dr. Sam and she tells you it's okay, relax, that helps, and it puts us all on kind of the even keel. But during the times where, it's just not working the way it's supposed to, it's really where you have to look at your relationship and say, it's going to be okay. We are lucky we have one child already, and we're blessed with that, and let's just take it and let's relax and wait for next month and see what happens.
I am part of the elite program, and we came back with my second pregnancy. We decided there was no question we were going to use Dr. Sam again. She's wonderful. If my husband's running late, she'll wait for us. Well, she'll wait for him to get here. She has evening appointments if we needed to come at 6 o'clock. She's very flexible and just works with us. By being an elite patient, you have access to her. She gives you her personal cell phone number. You can text her. You can call her. I've had questions. I've had strep throat while I was pregnant, so I text her, I'm like, can I take this? And she responds back to me immediately, and she's very responsive.
And I've recommended a number of people to Dr. Sam just because, once again, they're looking for that experience that they can walk out feeling that they're part of the whole process. So many times you go in, a doctor will tell you something, you walk out. No time for questions, and the doctor doesn't even ask that many questions. Dr. Sam's going to make sure that you understand that. And that's the part, I think, that makes it special. So a program like this, I really think, can go national if doctors just realize that there's people out there that really want to be treated like a human. They want to be treated like they matter to that doctor. And I think that's what most doctors go into the profession for, to help people. But somewhere along the line, I think that gets left out because of insurance, because of HMO, because of different things, and there's a lot of pressures on doctors. So this is an opportunity to take a little time, take a breath, and realize that your patient is so important to the overall health of your practice, and you need to focus on the patient.
Well, as being part of the elite program, she does give you access to her 24 hours a day. And I don't know.
That's huge.
It is huge. It is huge.
Is it guaranteed that that doctor will be there when you have the baby? Is it guaranteed you can get in touch with them within a few minutes? Is it guaranteed that they really care about you? With Dr. Sam it is. It's as simple as that. And when you start talking about bringing a new human being into this world, I don't know of anything more important than having that peace of mind going in.